This is why you need the ultimate $1,000 gaming PC. Today, we're building the best budget gaming PC for just $1,000. First up, we've got the Ryzen 5 7600 CPU. It's a beast for multitasking and gaming. Pairing it with the Gigabyte B 650M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboard gives you solid performance and Wi-Fi capability. Now the star of the show, the RX 7700 XT GPU. Smooth gameplay on a budget? Yes please. For RAM, we're using the Corsair Vengeance RGB 32GB DDR5. Fast, reliable, and it looks amazing with those RGB lights. Storage is crucial, so we've got the Team Group MP44LM 21TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD, lightning fast load times, and plenty of space for all your games. Want part 2 with the rest of the parts? Smash that like button and subscribe. Links to all products and part 2 are in the description. Stay tuned for more awesome builds.